多謝主席。咁都恭喜啦，跟翻其他同事都恭喜翻你哋數字啦。咁都要多謝你哋喺 CSR 嗰邊做得好好啦，都見到你哋喺病童嗰邊嘅 contribution。咁我自己其實舊年都曾經參加過一個 Make a Wish 嘅活動，咁見到嗰個效果係非常之值得，咁喺呢方面嘅 contribution，我覺得都非常之緊要嘅。咁都想了解下，見到有啲數字嘅問題啦。咁見到其實迪士尼原先個最高個容量個設計係講緊1000萬啦，24年個入場人數係770萬，咁舊年就750萬，咁啊少咗20萬。咁呢一度嗰個有冇研究嗰個原因係點樣呢？咁另外就係即係承接翻我隔離啊同事頭先問嗰個折舊率嗰個問題啦。咁其實都見到條數咧。就折舊嗰度當然係你越嚟越多 facilities， 你嘅折舊嗰度都可能會扣多咗啦。咁頭先就會諗頭先個20萬個分別啦，我個人數又少咗，你即係收入會唔會又少咗咧？因為佢入嚟嘅 spending 又少咗，咁你個折舊又多嘢又折舊咗，咁其實賺唔賺得翻嗰個 difference 咧？定係我哋有啲咩方法可以令到個人數真係拉得到去最終我哋希望到1000萬個 capacity 同埋個 positioning 問題？頭先都有提到嘅，我哋同東京，我哋同上海嘅分野究竟喺邊一度？頭先冇講清楚，我比較想知道我哋本身香港嗰個 positioning 係點樣樣？我希望講清楚啲㗎。
好，都係一個關注財務上面嘅問題。請問
主席，我講一個總體嘅觀察，然之後就請阿施總裁去回應啲具體。林議員問到咧，我哋香港嗰個迪士尼嘅定位，或者係同東京同上海有咩分別？我估一個好主要嘅，兩個好主要嘅。一個係國際化，係我哋嘅語文嘅覆蓋。我哋喺香港嘅迪士尼，我哋係做得到，譬如我哋嘅鐵甲奇俠 Iron Man 咁樣，我哋係廣東話加英文，我哋都一樣咁做，亦都有普通話嘅加插。咁我哋而家小白出嚟同大家見面呢，我哋同佢講廣東話呢，佢識得用英文回應我哋，係回應得好準確下嘅。咁所以呢，呢個都突顯咗呢香港一個獨特嘅地方，因為呢，我哋其實喺所謂rest of the world， 即係中國內地以外嘅旅客呢，其實我如果冇記錯，我掌握個數字呢，大概17%左右呢係會嚟香港迪士尼嘅。咁所以呢個國際化非常重要。我哋去東京迪士尼，我哋主要就係聽到日本文。我哋去上海迪士尼，我哋都係會見到中文。但係喺香港嚟計呢，我哋起碼有中文、英文，而我哋個中文呢，仲會有係繁體字、簡體字。咁簡體字唔止係中國內地嘅朋友嘅，新加坡嘅朋友啊、東南亞嘅朋友，其實都係用呢一個。咁所以呢個係第一。第二樣嘢呢，就過去我哋嗰一個可能大家覺得係一個不足嘅地方呢，隨住我哋嘅擴建越來越多呢，現在係香港迪士尼一個好大嘅長處。林議員都有小朋友嘅，就係我哋以往俾人話我哋迪士尼比較細，唔及譬如話上海好大。但係我哋而家因為嗰個遊樂設施係越嚟越多，而我哋嗰個 size 係我哋嘅 size is compact，我哋係好集中嘅。所以如果係家庭嘅朋友呢，佢哋好容易地可以帶住小朋友呢喺香港迪士尼隨處去遊玩，而唔使話真係行到好辛苦要抱啊，或者推住個車其實都辛苦啊咁樣。咁呢個呢，慢慢喺我哋不斷增加景區嘅設施之後呢，已經成為咗我哋香港一個好大嘅特色嚇。
好，睇下施總裁有冇咩補充。
Thank you. I'd just like to add, as we think about differentiation and the experience that we're presenting here, when we measure the liking of Hong Kong Disneyland as a brand, it is at record levels. When we actually measure how is your guest experience over the past 20 years right now, record levels. And when we ask, are you planning to revisit? So important. Record level right now. So these are all very, very positive indications of the health of the brand, the experience itself, and the future potential of the business through repeatability. Thank you.
頭先問折舊嗰度冇答到，可唔可以叫施總裁補翻折舊率個人數？
係財務上面嘅折舊率
1000萬個問題。
有冇數據？如果冇嘅話咧嚇 ，OK。
佢未 translate 咗。
This one on the 200,000. So the question on the 200,000 attendance, I think is that what we're asking? The
differentiation between the 2024 and 2025, the visitor is 7.7 to 7.5 million,
7.5.
and the total capacity is supposed to be 10 million. And do you have any plans to expand to that capacity, or how are you going to do it?
Yeah, so the 200,000 year-over-year change, the three main factors for that, the macroeconomic uncertainty, the outbound travel of Hong Kongers, but especially looking at last summer's weather. When you looked at year-over-year comparison, that was the major driver for how we look at that year-on-year attendance. Our ambition is to continue to grow that attendance. To your point, we've got that 10 million that was referenced a few times in the meeting today. Through the profitability that we're establishing right now with our cash, reinvesting that cash into the business, Pixar next year, eventually we'll have that Marvel expansion, and we'll be looking beyond as well. Those are the ways for us to continue to drive the business in addition to the repeat visitation that we expect to materialize to get us to that higher attendance level into the future.
有冇答到你？
One of the 我諗喺 EBITDA 嗰度咧，其實如果樂園係不斷有一個新嘅景點落成嘅話咧，其實個 EBITDA 特別係喺折舊depreciation and amortization 嗰度咧係會比較高嘅。咁呢個都係過去迪士尼喺我哋有好多嘅新園區落成，譬如話我哋喺 Toy Story Land 啦、Grizzly Gulch 啦同埋 Mystic Manor 啦，佢哋去落成嘅時候咧，嗰幾年咧都係我哋折舊高峰嚟嘅。咁現在當然因為我哋有魔雪奇緣啦、Frozen 嗰個，亦都會有一個折舊嘅。將來我哋嘅新嘅園區落成嘅時候呢，我哋都會係咁樣樣。不過有一樣嘢呢，就係林議員都會知道㗎啦，就係呢啲嘅折舊呢，其實只會影響我哋報出嚟嗰個實質嘅利潤，但係呢，就唔影響樂園呢手頭上去揸住嘅現金，個現金流呢係非常充足嘅。呢一個呢，就係我哋點解可以呢不斷咁樣再度投資喺個樂園度去發展新嘅景點。多謝主席。
好。